Do people even give a about Piggy Plinko? I don't know. I worry that it's not, people aren't as interested in it. What I know people are interested in is drip. I worry that Forex is so tunnel visioned on, the Animal Farm and the way that he envisions all these games coming together, that he's just so tunnel visioned on it because he's creating really cool things, I'm sure, but that he's completely missing what everyone is asking for, which is we want to see drip stop falling. Like, look, I got to watch some stunner videos. Here's the thing, folks. I need some help. I am very far behind in all the stuff that's going on with DeFi. I have not been able to watch a ton of content. I'd say probably content I watch usually Scott has a video or Drip Coach. I check those guys out. But I'm just not aware exactly of where everyone's at. So I need in the comments down below what you guys think of Piggy Plinko and what you guys think of drip, if there is actually something that Forex can do for drip, because I'm sort of the opinion that he's out. Like, we don't need him. There's nothing he can do, and it's up to us, right? And it's up to all of us. There's a new thing coming out called Bit Fighters. One of the devs reached out to me, and I know Drip Coach has been talking about it. I'm going to do my best to try and get caught up on that. I want to know like what the community thinks could be done with drip that Forex could actually contribute to. Because I don't even know if he can. Did he even like do anything? What can he do? As you can see, this is just I just turned the camera on, this is, I guess, a little rant. And but before we continue with the rant, everybody, make sure you take advantage of the links down below. We got Spritz Finance. You can start using your crypto to pay for things. It's very private. It's very secure. I got Swan Bitcoin is the best platform and the only exchange I trust to dollar cost average every single day Bitcoin. Real quick, I just got to look at Spritz. Look, you come right on here. You click the link below, come on here. All you got to do is connect your MetaMask wallet. It is on the Binance Smart Chain, which is the one we all know and love. These are, and it works. Listen, I have paid, I use this thing all the time. I got in progress right now. I got a big one that I just put on. As you can see, it usually takes about 5 business days for it to all go through. Cost me, I think, $6, $7, something like that to put this one in. Look at all the ones that are completed just to show that like this thing does work. Look at this. All of these, every single thing that I have done on here has worked perfectly. So, you get $50, right? The first $50 that you use of your money to pay for something, they're going to match you $50. So, you got something that's $100 bill out there, they got half of that for you. And I just think it's worth it. So back to what I was saying, I get excited about that thing because it's one of the few things that really is working well. Although Mischief of Fortune is also another one. Maybe we take a look at. That's a DeFi project that is really doing well. All right, it's set up just like Drip, only you get to use USDC, a stable coin that you deposit and you get paid in stable coins. You get paid 1% per day up to 360 days. One of the differences is the claim is done every 15 days. So you let this accumulate, getting close to $400 every 15 days. So I like that, but I've already ROI'd on this one. I definitely don't think I'm going to ROI on Drip, but it's still, you look at like these protocols and, Drip has been around. You can't deny that it's the best protocol in DeFi. I mean, as much as I like Mischief of Fortune, it doesn't have anywhere near the life cycle that Drip has. So you can't really compare the two. If this thing goes on for 2 years, then I'll be hailing this as the greatest DeFi project ever because You get paid in a stable coin. You're not getting paid in something that can fluctuate. Actually, I wish drip would fluctuate. It seems to just mostly go down. Here's what I was thinking, right? This is what Forex could do. This is what he could do. This is how he could contribute to helping drip. He could launch these fucking games. Whatever happened to Scratchy? Forex, if you're watching, please. Please, you're the greatest developer. Can you please launch Scratchy? Actually, I don't know. Is he the greatest developer? Didn't he just put out something that he fired a dev team? I feel like he's always firing dev teams. What's that about? I get if you do it a couple times, I understand that. But if it's like your thing, like you're just constantly firing people, I think that's it's time to start looking in the mirror. There's got to be something about his leadership style that he's not able to get the best from people. So he just has to fire them. Because I think they were from Ooze, right? And I wasn't in Ooze, but everything I know about Ooze, or what I heard about Ooze, I should say, was all positive. And it was like a super cool thing. However they did it, I have no idea. I hope this video doesn't come off as like on some FUD stuff. It's not. It's more just like venting, I'm still hydrating drip. I'm still gonna participate in the various community projects that come out for drip. I'm all about it. I'm all about drip, Reservoir Dog style. We all in drip together, big family. The frustration about these launches and delays and the UI. I mean, that would help. I think that would help. That would definitely get sentiment and morale back up if you could just get the UI finished, Mr. Forex. I feel like I'm at a place where I can say these things about the guy because I've spent the last year defending him. I mean, I have gone after other YouTubers and called them out for talking shit about him. It's like, come on, guy. I don't know. Maybe I'm just having one of those days. Bear with me. Actually, you know what? You guys have been amazing. I have gotten nothing but support and patience and everything from you guys. You guys are what makes this interesting and this fun. Think about that. Like if we didn't all have each other, because I know we jump on other people's live streams and we're texting in there and then we're in different chats. I mean, I know I haven't been as much, but I can hop on different people's channels, see the chat thread, and we're all, chopping it up. That's what makes drip great. I just don't want to have to do a damn apology video. I'm probably past due. I should probably just get it over with. Now, fuck that. I'm not doing that right now. Drip to the moon, baby. Drip to the moon. All right, that's it. I'm out of here. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one. We're going to rolling out of here.